universe follows laws so precise that even a tiny mistake should be impossible. Yet scattered across the cosmos are discoveries so bizarre that astronomers first assumed their instruments had failed. Worlds that orbit impossible stars, galaxies that appeared far too early, objects so dense, so massive, or so strangely arranged that they seem to challenge everything we thought we knew. Scientists were stunned, because these aren't science fiction, they're real. Here are 20 space discoveries that shouldn't exist, and each one is stranger than the last. Our journey begins with a galaxy that simply arrived too soon. When the James Webb Space Telescope looked deep into the early universe, researchers made an extraordinary discovery. Massive galaxies were already shining only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. According to older models, there shouldn't have been enough time for them to grow so large. The truth turned out to be far stranger than expected. Either galaxies formed much faster than anyone imagined, or our understanding of the young universe is still incomplete. Then came a planet that circles two stars, much like the fictional world of Tatooine. While astronomers once believed such systems would be too chaotic for planets to survive, several have now been confirmed. Somehow, these worlds maintain stable orbits despite the constantly changing gravity of two suns. What once seemed impossible is quietly happening across the galaxy. Even stranger is the discovery of rogue planets. These lonely worlds drift through interstellar space with no parent star at all. Imagine a planet wandering endlessly through complete darkness, illuminated only by distant starlight. Scientists still debate how many exist, but evidence suggests there could be billions of these cosmic nomads traveling alone through the Milky Way. Next comes one of the most mysterious stars ever observed. Tabby's star suddenly dimmed by enormous amounts without following any predictable pattern. At first, some even wondered whether an alien megastructure could be blocking its light. While natural explanations remain more likely, no single theory has completely solved the mystery. Decades later, the strange behavior continues to fascinate astronomers. Researchers were equally surprised by black holes that grew into giants far earlier than expected. Some supermassive black holes already existed when the universe was still incredibly young. Their enormous size shouldn't have been possible in such a short time. Somehow, they grew with astonishing speed, forcing scientists to reconsider how black holes are born and evolve. Then there is a world where it literally rains glass. On the exoplanet HD 189733b, fierce winds can exceed several thousand miles per hour. Under those extreme conditions, tiny particles of molten glass are blasted sideways through the atmosphere. It isn't just a violent storm, it may be one of the most hostile weather systems ever discovered anywhere in the universe. Astronomers also found stars racing through space at unbelievable speeds. These hypervelocity stars travel so fast that they can completely escape the Milky Way's gravity. Many are thought to have been launched after dangerous encounters with the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's center, turning them into cosmic escape artists speeding toward intergalactic space. Another impossible-looking discovery came from pulsars. These rapidly spinning neutron stars can rotate hundreds of times every second while sending perfectly timed radio pulses across the galaxy. Imagine squeezing more mass than our sun into a sphere only about the size of a city. The resulting object becomes so extreme that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Scientists were stunned again after detecting planets orbiting dead stars. When a massive star explodes or collapses into a stellar remnant, nearby planets should be destroyed. Yet astronomers have found found planets somehow surviving, or perhaps even forming afterward around pulsars. These strange planetary systems exist in places once believed completely inhabitable. Finally, one discovery may rewrite the story of our own galaxy. Hidden rivers of ancient stars stretch across the Milky Way, revealing that our galaxy grew by consuming smaller galaxies over billions of years. Every stellar stream is like a fossil record written across the night sky, showing that the Milky Way is not a calm, unchanging island of stars, but the product of countless cosmic collisions. And we've only reached halfway point. The next discoveries become even more unbelievable, from impossible planets to mysterious cosmic explosions and structures so enormous they challenge the limits of the observable universe.
The mysteries only become deeper from here because the next discoveries push the universe beyond what many scientists once believed was possible. Our 11th discovery is the Diamond Planet, officially known as 55 Cancri e. This scorching super-Earth is believed to contain enormous amounts of carbon compressed under incredible pressure. Some models suggest large portions of its interior may exist in diamond-like form. Scientists were stunned because no one expected an entire world with such an exotic composition. Then, astronomers found something even stranger: planets orbiting brown dwarfs. Brown dwarfs are often called failed stars because they never became massive enough to ignite sustained nuclear fusion. For years, researchers questioned whether planets could even form around them, yet observations proved that nature had different plans. Next comes one of the greatest mysteries in modern astronomy: fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These powerful flashes of radio energy last only milliseconds, but can release as much energy as the sun produces in days. Some repeat without warning, while others appear only once. Researchers made an extraordinary discovery when they traced several FRBs to distant galaxies, but exactly what creates them remains one of astronomy's biggest unanswered questions. The 14th discovery is the largest known structure in the universe, an enormous collection of galaxy clusters stretching across billions of light years. Structures this vast challenge assumptions about how matter should be distributed across the cosmos. The truth turned out to be far stranger than expected, raising new questions about the evolution of the universe itself. Then there are the mysterious ultra-diffuse galaxies. Some are almost as large as the Milky Way, but contain only a tiny fraction of its stars, making them appear like faint cosmic ghosts. Others seem to contain astonishing amounts of dark matter, while a few appear to have almost none at all. Both possibilities are difficult to explain using current theories. Discovery number 16 may be the most violent. Astronomers detected gamma-ray bursts so powerful that for a few seconds they outshone entire galaxies. These explosions are thought to occur when massive stars collapse or when neutron stars collide. Even from billions of light years away, their energy can still be measured by telescopes on Earth. Then came magnetars, the most magnetic objects ever discovered. Their magnetic fields are trillions of times stronger than Earth's. If one passed close enough to our planet, its magnetic force could disrupt electronics from thousands of miles away. These bizarre neutron stars remind us that the universe is capable of creating conditions almost beyond imagination. Our 18th discovery is the cosmic web. Instead of galaxies being randomly scattered, they are connected by gigantic filaments of dark matter and gas stretching across unimaginable distances. Galaxy clusters sit where these filaments intersect, forming a vast network that resembles a giant three-dimensional web spanning the observable universe. Next are the mysterious dark galaxies. These objects appear to contain enormous amounts of dark matter, but almost no visible stars. They're nearly invisible,
revealing themselves only through their gravitational effects. If confirmed in greater numbers, they could transform our understanding of how galaxies form and evolve. Finally, we arrive at perhaps the strangest discovery of all. The universe itself may be far more complex than we ever imagined. Every year, new telescopes uncover planets that defy expectations, galaxies that formed too early, black holes that grew impossibly fast, and mysterious signals that have yet to be explained. Each discovery forces scientists to rewrite theories that once seemed certain. The greatest surprise isn't that one impossible object exists, it's that the universe is filled with them. Every time humanity builds a better telescope, the cosmos answers with another mystery. Scientists were stunned because the more we learn, the less ordinary the universe becomes. And perhaps that's the biggest discovery of all. The universe doesn't break the rules, it reveals that we still don't know all of them. Somewhere in the darkness, the next impossible discovery is already waiting to change everything we think we know about space. The cosmos is stranger than fiction,